Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about my weight loss journey, and yeah, if you're new here, my name is Shreya, and yeah, please go and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Starting with, I am nowhere a nutritionist nor a trainer or nor a dietitian, nothing of that sort. I'm just like a normal girl who wanted to share this story, and yeah, I hope you guys be motivated, and I'm just trying to share my experience. So yeah, if this is something that interests you, please keep on watching. So starting with, I have a really chubby body. I think I just eat itna sa bhi and it just shows up. I have that kind of body, and yeah, all the time I have been chubby. Still I am, like, I'm not like lean or something. I am chubby, but I think I'm in a better space now and I look much better. So I would like to say there's no like a standard measurement for a good body or a bad body. It's just how you feel in whatever body you have. If you are confident enough, thumbs up, and if you're not, you should start working for your body. So yeah, let's just start how my journey started. So last year in 2019 I joined the gym, and I was like, I have to get in a better space. I mean, I was really fat, and I never took care of my body, but when I started doing it, 8 महीने में results दिखे. So you know, results are the biggest motivation. Whenever you just इतना सब अगर lose होता है ना, you just feel really happy and it just goes on. It's just like a process, and there's no like a final destination. You always have to work for your body. You can't be like, अभी मैं बराबर shape में आ गई, now I can eat anything. ऐसा नहीं है. You need to work always for your body. So yeah, that's one tip, that you have to work every day. So a few things that I would like to share that helped me in losing weight was exercise. Of course, there's no weight loss without exercise. You need to burn your calories, you need to burn whatever you eat, but yeah, that doesn't mean just work out like crazy. No, your body requires certain amount of exercise, and if you और अगर मैं सजेस्ट करूँ तो you should get a nice trainer for your body. Especially, you know, when I was in 10th I started doing gymming, and because of the wrong training, the wrong squats, whatever I was doing, I started gaining weight, more weight. Like, instead of losing, I started gaining weight, that too around my hip and butt area, and still I have that. I still have a mermaid shaped body, but yeah, that was like one mistake that I did, and I'm still suffering, but working towards it. So yeah, it's very important to, you know, be in a good, nice guidance who can actually train you well about exercises. And अगर वो सब नहीं है तो do normal cardio, do running, walking. ये सब कभी गलत नहीं होता. So you can just do that and make yourself active. That's most important. Then second thing comes is diet, and you are what you eat, of course. So you need to eat right amount of food, nutrition food, and yeah, you need to have that. And the biggest thing that I lacked was protein, because I am a vegetarian, so I don't consume any egg or meat or anything. So protein का deficiency होता ही है हर vegetarian में. So I started consuming paneer. Now I have paneer like every day. I also have like sprouts and everything, chole, rajma. That's like thoda amount of protein. So that the dal, and these are the things that I've increased a lot, and decreased my carb ratio. Now this might sound like really technical, but if you read about it, you'll know it. And yeah, I read few articles about, you know, food and food ratios. So yeah, I think you should read it and research it and know what your body needs, and then eat accordingly. Next up thing is water intake. I mean, ये बहुत क्लीशे लगेगा, but yeah, water, you need to have a lot of water, and especially when we are in lockdown phase and सब घर पे बैठे हैं, हमें कुछ करने को है नहीं first of all, and अगर कुछ करने को नहीं होता है we just roam around food. At least I do that. मतलब कुछ बोर हो रहा है तो I need to eat, so I just make sure that I have a bottle of water, and भूख लगा है कुछ भी, I just drink water. So you know, एक कुछ टाइम के लिए I am filled up. So yeah, that's like a one hack you can follow maybe. And what rest? Also, the biggest thing that leads to weight loss is calorie deficit. I think being in a calorie deficit is the most important thing. So how you can do that is, one thing that I follow is intermittent fasting. I'm still doing it, but it's on and off now. But I think I did like religiously for like 3 or 4 months, and it showed immense results, and I'm so happy with it, and I want to continue it, and I can do that. I mean, diets ऐसी चीज़ें, ऐसे diets करो जो आप actual में continue कर पाओ हमेशा के लिए, because it's not like a change for like 1 or 2 months. It's a change in lifestyle, and you need to change it forever. So make sure you follow only those things that you can actually follow throughout your life, you know. So intermittent fasting is something that I can actually do, and my body is really happy doing it, and I feel light and everything. So I would not speak in detail about intermittent fasting, because मैं कोई भी चीज़ गलत नहीं बोलना चाहती हूँ. सो बेसिकली इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग होता क्या है, थोड़ा आई विल गिव. दैट इज़ you have to eat for like 8 hours, and 8 hours का विंडो होता है. you have to eat for 8 hours, and 16 hours you have to fast. Like basic what cycle I follow is 11 बजे I start eating, मतलब my first meal, and the end I'll eat by 7. So that is my window. You can adjust that however you want to. So that is my window, and that's how I eat. And yeah, I mean, it has helped me a lot. So it actually controls your diet portion, because आपके पास खाने के लिए सिर्फ इतने ही hours है, तो आप कितना खाओगे उसमें. You know, if you have a whole day and also night, so you end up eating more. So yeah, अगर आपके पास थोड़ा ही आवर्स है खाने के लिए, ऑफ कोर्स ऑटोमेटिकली आपका डाइट डिक्रीज हो जाता है, एंड that's how you can go on calorie deficit. So yeah, these are the few things that I followed, and I would show a few pictures of mine, how I looked like back then and how I look like now. Of course, I am not in a better, like in a perfect body that I want. I have my own set of goals. I have my own preferred body type, but that might not be your preferred body type. So yeah, you need to know what you want from your body. You need to know how you need to look like, and yeah, work for that. And yeah, I have like really chubby face and still tears, or क्या कर सकते हैं यार, थोड़ा सा भी खाते दिख जाता है, but I am working towards it, and I have to work for it. So yeah, I'm really happy that I shared this little journey with you guys. Also, I'll insert a few before and after how I look like. वो अपने thumbnail में तो देख लिया होगा, but if you haven't seen it properly. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.